You want Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancellation that won't break the bank? I'm gonna check out the Bluedio T5s right after this.
This is, you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds fun to you, hit that subscribe button. But for now, let's get into the video. I've used Bluetooth headphones for many years, and I'm sure you guys have as well. And it's hard not to have a little bit of brand loyalty when you find something that you like. Mine happens to be Bluedio. I found them a couple years ago on Amazon, and I found that their price-performance ratio was really good. I find that I really have to spend over 70 bucks or so to get a really good pair of Bluetooth headphones. So when I found out that Bluedio had some noise-canceling headphones coming out for under $70, I was like, I'm in. But maybe you don't know Bluedio, so let's get them out of the box. So here they are, the Turbine 5. So that's what the T stands for, Turbine T5, 5th generation. I've had a couple of the Turbines, I've had the UFO series, I've had a bunch of different Bluedio headphones, and I recommend pretty much everything I've ever had from there. This is a different one because it actually has active noise cancellation. The other ones I had were kind of passive, which basically means they just cover your ears. But for this, they're actually saying that there's active noise cancellation. What does that mean? Usually it means it takes out certain frequencies that are like in an airplane or something like that, you know, the hum of the plane. They take that out so you don't hear it and it doesn't affect your music. Now, some headphones do a better job of this than others, so I'm really interested to see exactly how well these things hold up. So you're supposed to get about 1,000 hours of standby time. 1,000 hours of standby time. You should probably turn your headphones off way before that. You also get about 25 hours of active noise cancellation along with music. And there is one kind of weird thing about this. Typically when you get Bluetooth headphones like this, if your battery runs out, you just stick a 3.5 millimeter cable into it and then into your device and you're off and running even if the batteries are dead. But there's a little bit of a twist with this one. During the unboxing, you might have noticed this, or maybe you didn't catch it. USB Type-C, which is great because that's kind of where everything is going at this point. USB Type-C is the standard. Having said that, there's no 3.5 millimeter jack on here. They do give you a micro USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter cable. And you might think to yourself, well, okay, then that resolves that. But let me ask you a question. What happens if you lose this thing? So to me, that's kind of a minus. I never would have thought that the headphone jack on a headphone would go away. Bluetooth 4.2, so it's not cutting edge. Really, listen, you're not spending a lot of money, so you can only expect so much. And the part that really matters is the sound. I will say that the head cushion here is really nice, very soft, it's got a great feel. The ear muffs are really, really soft, very nice. I like over-ear headphones, which these are, thank goodness. And they feel great. It's actually really light. Like, I barely feel this on my head, so that's great for long-term listening. So you have your volume up and down, you have your multifunction, which you'll use to answer phone calls with, your power, and then you have your noise cancellation switch, which is really great. You can turn it on and off, and I'll be using that when I listen to music to kind of see if it makes a difference when you're listening to whatever type of music you listen to. So it does have a voice assistant that kind of tells you what mode it's in, pairing, it's paired, all that sort of thing. That's kind of common nowadays. It's not even a special feature anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and try to play some music without noise reduction and then with noise reduction. And I'm going to use the song I always use, You Know You Like It, DJ Snake, link right there. And I'll let you know what I think. All right, here we go. I'm going to play it without noise cancellation. This song I pick because it has highs, mids, and lows, like it has everything. So I'm going to turn the volume up. Okay. Okay, the mids and highs are okay. I can't hear myself and I don't have noise reduction on right now. So that's actually pretty impressive. Bass drop coming. Oh. All right, yep. Okay. That's not bad. So when you listen to the song, let me hit pause, I can't hear myself. So when you hit a bass drop, it actually sounds pretty good. You actually can hear the bass. You don't feel it, so it doesn't have like haptic like the Skull Crushers do, which are, to my mind, the best, most amazing headphones you can get. But it sounds solid, and for that, I like it. Now we're gonna try it with noise cancellation. The thing is here, noise cancellation kind of negates certain frequencies, so it's possible that it'll make the music not sound as good. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm gonna hit the noise cancellation right before the bass drop. Let's see what happens. By the way, still can't hear myself. And I don't have the volume on the headphones all the way up, but I literally can't hear myself. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Whoa, what happened? Whoa. Okay. I just stopped the music. That. Ooh. Let me turn it back off. Here we go. It's gonna turn off. Okay, so I believe the noise cancellation will probably work pretty well for like airplanes and such, and maybe even on a bus or something might help kind of keep that extra noise out. Although to be perfectly honest, these things are loud enough to kind of drown that out anyway. But man, when you turn on noise cancellation, the sound changes dramatically and not in a good way. This kind of makes me sad because I love Bluedio so much. So here's what I'm gonna say. If you wanna have a good pair of Bluetooth headphones that are sturdy and sound good and that aren't that expensive, well, this would definitely be an answer to that. And if you like to have the option of noise cancellation, this also kind of fits the bill. However, I caution you, the music quality will dramatically change. For me, it sounded more hollow, the bass kind of went away. It sounded almost like it was going, not really through a tin can, but kind of this removed. It did not sound the same. If you're looking to buy a good set of Bluetooth headphones, Bluedio has a bunch of different really great headphones, and this sounds fine until you turn noise reduction on, and at that point, I can't recommend it. I can't recommend it. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share it to all your friends. I'm here every single week doing video content, and I got tons of videos. Check some of those out as well. See you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.